With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that 20 ml of 1.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 molar barium chloride solution is mixed with 40 ml of 0.9 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 sodium sulfate. Will a precipitate get formed? Ksp for barium sulfate is equal to 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. So in this question, it is given that 20 ml of 1.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 molar barium chloride solution is mixed with 40 ml of 0.9 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 sodium sulfate. And we have to tell that when we mix these two solutions, will the precipitate formed or not. Now what happens? We have barium chloride. Now barium chloride, when it is mixed with sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4, then there is formation of barium sulfate BaSO4 and 2 moles of NaCl. Now here we get white precipitate of barium sulfate. Now we have to tell that will this precipitate be formed or not. Now for barium sulfate, Ksp is given, that is solubility product is given 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. So what we will do, we will calculate the ionic product for barium sulfate. If ionic product will be more than solubility product, then only precipitate will be formed. Now what is given here? 20 ml of 1.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 molar barium chloride is mixed with 40 ml of 0.9 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 sodium sulfate. So we have, if we find out the total volume of the mixture solution, total volume of mixture solution, we have taken 20 ml barium chloride, so 20 plus 40 ml of sodium sulfate, 40, so it will be equal to total 60 ml. So the total volume of the mixture will be 60 ml. Now in barium sulfate, we have barium 2 positive ion and sulfate 2 negative ion. So for ionic product, we need the concentration of barium and sulfate ion. Barium ions will be obtained from barium chloride solution and sulfate ions will be obtained from sodium sulfate. So let us calculate now. Now we know that when barium chloride dissociates, it forms one barium ion and two chloride ions, right? So for 1 mole of barium chloride, we are getting one barium ion. So their concentration will be same. So here we will apply law of dilution. M1V1 is equal to M2V2. So here M1V1 is before mixing, and M2V2 will be after mixing. After mixing. So the molarity of the solution of barium chloride before mixing is 1.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5, right? And volume is 20 ml, 20 ml equal to M2 we will calculate, and volume after mixing is 60 ml. So from here M2 will be equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 into 20 divided by 60, right? And when we calculate this, it comes out to be 0.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 mole per liter. So this is the molarity of barium chloride after mixing. So the concentration of barium 2 ion will be the same. So from here we can say that concentration of barium 2 positive ions is equal to 0.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 mole per liter, right? Now we will calculate the concentration of sulfate ions. Now we know that sodium sulfate Na2SO4, when it will dissociate, it will give 2 sodium ions and 1 sulfate ion. For 1 mole of sodium sulfate, we are getting 1 mole of sulfate ion. So their concentration will be same. So here also we apply dilution law. M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. So M1 V1 is the molarity and volume before mixing. And M2 V2 is the after mixing. So molarity of sodium sulfate before mixing is equal to 0.9 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 into volume is 40 ml, equal to after mixing molarity is, we have to find out, and V2 is 60 ml. So from here we will calculate M2. M2 will be equal to 0.9 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 into 40 divided by 60, and it comes out to be 0.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 mole per liter, right? So this is the molarity after mixing of sodium sulfate, right? So this will be the molarity of sulfate ions too. So from here we can say that the concentration of SO4 2 negative ions is equal to 0.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 mole per liter. Now we will find out the ionic product for barium sulfate. Ionic product of barium sulfate BaSO4, it will be equal to concentration of barium ion into concentration of sulfate ion. So when we put the values, now concentration of barium ions is equal to 0.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 mole per liter, and concentration of sulfate ion is 0.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 mole per liter. So it will comes out to be 0.30 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. So this is the ionic product for barium sulfate. Now in question, solubility product is given 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. So here ionic product is less. Ionic product is less than solubility product. Right. So when ionic product is less than solubility product, it means no precipitate will be formed. No precipitate of barium sulfate will be formed. So this is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.